That stare is doing nothing. Even your thoughts look confused.
Ha! Oh man.
Confidence check failed. Try restarting your personality. Confidence check failed. Try restarting your personality.
Wow. You're ruthless, you know that? All right.
Afternoon, welcome to the station. What can I do for you today?
That greeting sounded rehearsed, like you practiced in the mirror and still missed.
Oh man! Oh, that's brutal. Evidence from 12-7, case 459.
Label it carefully. Wouldn't want your effort getting lost like your ambition.
All right, buddy.
Careful, that confidence has a weak suspension. Ha! Oh, no way!
You see this badge? That means I'm in charge. You keep your nose, your beak out of the evidence.
Point all you want. Direction won't fix what's missing.
Ha! Oh, come on!
That smile's working overtime trying to hide the confusion.
Oh, wow.
Who's the carpet over the room?
The computer will understand you better than people do.
You lean in like you're about to say something smart, then nothing happens.
Ah.
Oh, wow.
Clear your thoughts first.
All right, point taken.
Okay.
You see that, buddy?
Peak condition. Nice demo. That's soft launch strength, not the full product.
Soft launch! Wow, that hurt. You savage little coach.
So, you ever think about joining the force? Little badge, tiny vest?
You're a participation trophy present, but nobody's impressed.
Well, however I write that, it's a $100 fine for the disturbance.
Pay the fine? Nah. First, mandatory class, how to land a punchline. Your timing's on holiday. I'm talking toes in sand, umbrella drink, gone till Tuesday. Get back, then we'll talk wallet.
All right, fair. I'll work on it. I tell you what, nobody in this house ever hears me. I feel like I'm just talking to the wall all the time.
That's it. Your ears are on back order with the patient's department.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That was uncalled for.
All right. Who ate the snacks?
The snacks left voluntarily. Your cookie came with a hazard warning.
All right. Here's a safe one.
I told you he switched shifts because of her.
No way, are you sure?
If gossip paid rent, you'd own a skyscraper. Collect your checks and stop whispering.
Oh my God!
Okay, you win.
How many followers?
Enough that your ex is now writing apology sonnets. Slight chaos guaranteed.
All right, Mr. Plumage, would you care to offer the court your defense?
Your alibi reads like a discounted script. Low budget and wildly unbelievable.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
That sigh wasn't stress. That was your motivation clocking out early. Are you serious? Do you think you're the main event?
Cute.
Bring better jokes and an ID for charm? I'm picky.
Oh, wow.
Ah, you're too much. You dress confident, but move like someone who forgot their own password.
Okay. Oh, man.
Relax. Choose slower. Nobody's racing you to disappointment.
Oh, very pretty. Boys are savage.
You read like you're hoping the answers change out of pity.
Be honest with me. What do you think?
Your comeback is arriving by snail mail.
Never.